Step number 3, the 3-step. Let us demonstrate it for you. We have slow, quick, quick. And now from a different angle. Slow, quick, quick. And now let me demonstrate the man's foot position. Left foot forward, right foot forward, right shoulder leading, left foot forward. And again, left foot forward, right shoulder leading, left foot forward. And now the footwork. Heel, toe, toe, heel. And again, heel, toe, toe, heel. And now the timing. Slow, quick, quick. And again, slow, quick, quick. And now Heather will show us the ladies' part.
And now the ladies' foot position for the 3 steps. We have right foot back, left foot back, right foot back. And again, right foot back, left foot back, right foot back. And now the footwork. Toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel. And again. Toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel. And the timing. Slow, quick, quick. And again. Slow, quick, quick. And now I'd like to ask Victor to join me and we'll try this one more time together.
And we have again, slow, quick, quick. One more time. We have slow, quick, quick. Now let's discuss the 3 steps. Now gentlemen, from your prior figure, you would have lowered through your right leg, rotating to the slow, through your right side, turning to your left. Now at this point, as I dance my right shoulder leading, as I step heel toe, I want to think of a very gradual incline as I roll through the foot. So let me dance it side to the camera. So what we want to be aware of is that there's a slight incline as I dance my right side forward. So I'm dancing diagonally through the foot and forward toe heel. So we want to try and be careful through our footwork not to rise up too high before we dance the toe heel. Also, I want to be very aware that with my right shoulder leading, that I do not over twist the lady to the left. So let us demonstrate that for you 2 more times. We have slow, quick, quick. 1 more time. And slow, quick, quick.
Now ladies, because of the incline of the man's body, what we've got to take real strong care with is not allowing our head to tip to the right. That's a very, very natural feeling to happen. We must keep our head to the left. It might shift slightly rightwards, but it will not tip across the man's tie line. So I'll show you the incorrect way. Slow, quick, quick. Because now we're going to change the track. So because of the incline, I will still maintain my head and body shaped to the left.
We'd like to dance that for you 1 more time at a different angle. So you can see Heather's shape going diagonally left. We have slow, quick, quick. And that is the 3-step.